What is alprazolam? Alprazolam is a benzodiazepine that doctors prescribe to treat generalized anxiety disorders and panic disorders. It's a prescription-only medication used for the short-term relief of symptoms of anxiety. It relaxes the nerves and calms you down, which helps lessen the rushing waves of panic that anxiety sufferers often experience. Its soothing effects have persuaded many to use this substance recreationally, which is a bad idea. But as far as medical therapy goes, many people use alprazolam to manage their anxiety. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the regular notifications.